Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining me, then welcome to my channel. I am Yolanda Kumalo, also known as Tushy on Instagram, Twitter, and on the streets. So today I come back with another hair review. As you can all see that I'm all slayed up and slicked, and this hair was sent to me by GirlsGlow Hair. I will link down all the information down in the description box of the hair and also their website and Instagram handles, etc. if you're interested. However, let me tell you about it. This is a 14-inch bob and it's my second time installing it. It's got 250 density and it is a Brazilian hair. Now, I can attest to the quality of this hair because this is actually my second time installing it. You guys know I was in Swaziland and I was wearing this hair for the whole entire week, and when it came back it was really dirty, and I took it for a wash for a treatment at AG Fantasy and it came back to its normal standard. It looked as if this is my first time wearing it. So yeah, this is my second time having this wig on. I installed it yesterday at AG Fantasy. So in terms of quality, I'm gonna give them a 10 out of 10 right away. I normally don't necessarily always give quality reviews on hair because it would have been my first time wearing it, and I can only tell if hair is really good quality only after I've washed it and I've worn it maybe a couple of times and washed it, and I see whether does it go back to its normal state or not. With this hair, I actually did that because I wore it and I washed it and it went back to its normal state. As you guys can all see that it looks brand new from the box. Now, with the installation process, I went to my favorite girl that I trust with my hair all the time. I went to AG Fantasy and she did the things. She laid this wig for me. It also came with 2 wig caps, and guys, if you watch my channel, you know at this point I own about 1 million wig caps because I always get these as gifts. So in the box you will find that there's 2 of these as a gifted item. It is free of charge if you buy the hair. It comes with that as well. So stay tuned and watch the rest of the video to see how the installation process went with AG Fantasy.
Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you boss, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her wig? You telling me Tay is the cat. Pointed the nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the net. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get straight. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, I'ma do what it takes. And I never been embraced. And the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't get it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Backyard a little, let the garden eat it. Pillow talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby.
The end of the installation process, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment down in the comment section if you have any questions regarding this hair or how I achieved this look. And also, if you're interested in purchasing this hair or knowing more about this hair, please do click in the description box and you will find all the information that is related to this hair, and also the different kinds of hair and the variety of hair that they also offer. I will also make sure that I leave the link down in the description box to their website so that you can just have a scroll and check if there's anything that you would like to get for yourself. Otherwise, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.